How to enable call announcement feature on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Call announcement feature lets your phone speak out the caller's name or number, which is very helpful when your phone isn't on your hand. Here's how you can enable it on Android. First, open up your phone settings. Open up phone app. From here, you can find the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on it, and then tap on settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go ahead and find the option to choose your announcement mode. You can make it always, only with headset, or only when connected to Bluetooth. So for that, you can just go ahead and then tap on that settings. In my case, I don't have it on here on my call settings. So what I'm going to do is go to my other settings. I can go to the accessibility tab and interaction and dexterity. From there, you can find this answering or ending calls. Make sure that you read caller names aloud. Tap on this toggle and you're good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.